Meaning of i.e.
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 i.e. i.e. is an abbreviation for the Latin phrase id est, which means that is. It is commonly used in written texts to introduce a clarifying or explanatory statement. Specifically, it is often used to provide a specific examples of a general statement made previously in the text. For instance, if someone says I enjoy eating fruits, i.e., apples, bananas, and oranges, that means they like eating those specific fruits in particular. Overall, i.e. is a useful shorthand for quickly conveying more precise meaning within written communication.